Bolivia Media.
What is God saying about UTM? That's your camera.
Well, UTM inalodzedwa. Nchifaki kuvutika kuti ipange alliance.
Kulozedwa na iloza ndani? Define kulozedwa. What do you mean?
Well, that's a very brilliant question. UTM was founded by the late SKC. All right? In life, pamatoka muntu ngukhala matsoka. In life. And the late SKC was one of them. You look at his journey, he was someone loved by people with a bright future. But he had spirits fighting him right from the beginning. And ngati amawa akumbukira bwino, I was very vocal about the late SKC because God had told me, deliver this man. He's going to be the president of this country one day. So I tried to be very vocal, but unfortunately he wouldn't listen. So calamity befell him. So you see, I also said even after his passing, my prayer is that matsoka menali ndi munoko chipani sapitilira. And I advised the current leader of the party he needs to seek prayers, special prayers. Otherwise, angotenga matsoka manali mambiriro kumapita nawo. That's why right now UTM mwachitika zambiri because of matsoka akutsalabe chipani chicha. So chipani just simply needs God's intervention, simply needs God's deliverance. Otherwise, the chipani chatsongolo koma chini matsoka. They need to seek God. They need special prayers. Otherwise, panopo, whatever is happening, behind the curtains, there's a lot that's happening with UTM, trying to make alliances. It's Timalizata. That's why I always pray for that party.
We have DPP, we have AFORD, Funaso Diziwe, Amalaga Funaziwe Gudi, Aminos. The realm of the spirit, Imo.
In the realm of the spirit, Imo. God told me the professor was not supposed to lead the party. And if that happened, the party was going to have a good future. But since he clinged to power, something that he was lied to by those around him who were just selfish and had selfish reasons for that. That's why Chipanja Kangali Jaungega. But I've said this several times on my Facebook page and as well now on my YouTube channel that Professor will not rule this country. I'm a prophet. You have to understand how I speak about things. I speak with a certain strength, boldness. Why? It's derived from the special relationship, fellowship that I have with God. So when I speak, I know what I'm saying. And I'm shaking and I'm immovable.
Right.
When I speak, I know. I said this good. No, Professor is not to rule this country. He's supposed to retire. His age is against him. So, DPP, no. But, and you'll see soon.
So the other question, Minister Tamafuna Fusa Gudi, Gizi Memana Gudi, DPP, a Professor Sangaza Bangi, Roman Nina Mawan, Winner, minimum Gamona, Mungusamogonis Gudi, this is the right person to lead. Or maybe you can actually direct them and give them direction.
No, the right person that was supposed to lead DPP left the party. Is the one God told you he was supposed to lead the party.
Who is that person?
Nankuma.
Okay.
Yeah.
we have AFORD. What is God saying about AFORD?
What you want to know about AFORD? It's going into an alliance that has no future.
Right.
Yeah.
China so mwina jimeni mafuna ndifuse kwambiri mukamanina mwina ma prophecies ngada mina mwina mafuna kutunguzi waso. Do these people reach out to you? Let's say many manina kuti mwina jibani mema yankulira munja andaliwa. Do they come to you? Do they kabena do you reach out to them? Kabena mkankula nkulazima titabu mwibo.
Well, because of the influence that God has given us, there are two things that we do. If God gives me a revelation concerning a politician, it's either I reach out or I use the platform God gave me, Facebook and YouTube, to speak.
Right.
Depending on the direction you're on it. For example, sometimes God can say, excuse me, reach out to this person. And I do.
Okay.
So God will say, tell Malawians about this. If God said, tell Malawians about this. And I.
Thanks for watching Olivia Media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.